Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Tundra key fob. First, ensure you have all the necessary key fobs ready to be programmed, including any existing ones you wish to keep active. It's a straightforward process, but following each step carefully is crucial for success. We'll cover everything from initial preparation to testing your newly programmed fob, making sure you feel confident with the procedure. Let's get your Tundra ready for programming. Begin by making sure all doors are completely closed and unlocked. Next, insert your master key into the ignition, but do not turn the engine on. You'll then cycle the ignition from the off position to on and back to off 5 times, leaving the key in the ignition after the final cycle. This prepares the vehicle system for the new fob. Now for the actual programming of your new key fob. With the master key still in the ignition, take your new fob and simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons for about 1.5 seconds. Release them, and then press the lock button by itself for 1 second. The vehicle should respond by locking and unlocking, confirming successful programming. Remove the master key and test your new fob right away. If your key fob doesn't program on the first try, don't worry. A common issue is a low battery in the new fob, so check that first. You can always repeat the entire programming sequence from the beginning. Sometimes it just takes a second attempt to get everything synced up correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. With a little patience, you'll have your key fob working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.